What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial I will explain you how you can install Jupyter Notebook on your PC. So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
So first of all, before installing it, let me tell you how it is beneficial to you. So we know that we have IDE like Visual Studio Code and CodeBlock and PyCharm, but this Jupyter Notebook is a web-based data exploration tool. It helps you to explore, and it is a more hybrid way of the text editor. Let me show you how you can install it. The simple way is to go to this install and use this command to install it, but I tell you to go to this command prompt and install pip install notebook. This command will help you to install Jupyter Notebook. Because I have already installed it, that's why I'm getting this message, but you will get the downloading line here. After you have installed it, simply type Jupyter Notebook and press enter, and it will take some time and it will run on your local device. Here you can see it is running in the local device, and after that you can click on this new and click on this Python 3. Here my new Python file has been created. You can change the name of this file, let's say notebook, and it is called the Python shell. Here you can type the anything you want and press enter to go to next line, and put shift press control to get the output. If you print, if you do like this and press shift press enter, you get the output of the code like this, but it is giving some error, so ignore that. And if you want to add this new shell, simply put control plus alt plus enter, not alt plus enter, yes, alt plus enter. I have not clicked on this shell. You have to click on this cell and then press alt plus enter. You will get this. And if you want to delete this cell, simply press escape dd, again escape, then 2 times dd. It will delete the previous cell like this. And, and if you want to check the more commands, simply go to this help and keyboard shortcuts, that you can see all the shortcuts and try it yourself. So that's all for this tutorial. I will explain you some more things in the next tutorial. Thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.